Hello, Miss Pamela. Welcome to my video. This is a list of the 25 parts that I picked out that I'm going to be doing. And they are underlined and checked because I've been trying to show you the pronunciation for these words, because my pronunciation of these words are not good. And that science display. Okay, to start off, this is the frontal bone here. Frontal bone. This here is the caudal suture. Caudal suture here. Caudal suture. This one is the sagittal suture. Runs up and down in the middle. Sagittal suture. This is the parietal bone here on the sides. Parietal bone. Going to the back, this here is the lambdoid suture. Lambdoid suture sort of kind of makes an A shape. And this one here is the occipital bone. Here at the back, occipital bone. And here over to the side we have the mastoid process here at the end. See if it'll zoom in. Mastoid process. This one here is the squamous suture. Squamous suture. This one here is the temporal bone. Temporal bone. This one here is the sphenoid bone. Sphenoid bone. This one here is the zygomatic bone. Zygomatic bone on the side. Just trying to get my camera to focus. Okay. This one here is the infraorbital reforamen. Infraorbital reforamen. This one here is the mental reforamen. Mental reforamen. And on the sides, we have, here is the mandible, which goes around mandible as well. Okay, we have the maxilla here, maxilla bone. We have the nasal bone, which might be able to see that one from the side better. Nasal bone. Here from the sides, the nasal bone. And here is the nasal bone. And in here we have the vomer bone. Vomer bone. Here we have the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid bone. Here at the top is perpendicular plate of the ethmoid bone. Okay. This one here is the ethmoid bone. Ethmoid bone. This one is the lacrimal bone. Lacrimal. Okay, moving over, and this one is the optic reforamen. And here, see if it'll focus on that. Optic reforamen. This one here is a superior orbital fissure. Here at the top, superior orbital fissure. Down here at the bottom is the inferior orbital fissure. Inferior orbital fissure. So superior at the top, inferior at the bottom. Okay, and then I chose to do two from the inside. Probably put it this way. This is the crystal galley here. Crystal galley at the and this one here is the crib refoam plate. Crib refoam plate. Okay. And that sums up the 25 parts that I picked out for the skull. Thank you.